So a lot of people love trading Bitcoin. I do not. I'm going to explain exactly why, because you probably don't know about the risks. What's up? Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, answering your questions. A lot of people are trading Bitcoin, but first, before I get into that, let me just remind you, click the little button that says subscribe, click the little bell so that you get alerted when I have these video lessons. These videos are the key to your future. Do not leave your door unlocked. Your future will be locked forever. All you have to do is use the little key, put it in the little lock, unlock your future. That's what I'm here for. So I have been trading for 20 plus years. I have made $5 million. I do have, millionaire students. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not perfect, but I have experience. Don't mistake arrogance with experience. They're two different things. Arrogance is what a lot of Bitcoin and a lot of cryptocurrencies traders had just a few months ago, really now like a year ago, when Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrencies were going to the moon, and everyone said Bitcoin to 1 million by the end of 2018. Bitcoin did not hit 1 million. Bitcoin, fantastic run up. Don't get me wrong. I'm very, very thrilled that there's something going up that much, or any cryptocurrency, or whether it was, marijuana stocks or CBD. There's been a lot of hot niches. Bitcoin is a hot niche. The problem with trading it directly, well, there's a lot of risks. Risk number one, it is a very, very sketchy / unregulated niche. That means that, you might be trading all your cryptocurrencies one day, and then the next day, your account is gone. It's happened to several Bitcoin traders. It's happened to several exchanges. You can't predict it. It can happen literally at any time. So I know Bitcoin is open 24/7. How are you going to keep an eye on your account at all times? You can't. So you're taking big risks. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is a scam and that every Bitcoin broker is going to go bust and all the exchanges are going to go bust. I don't know what's going to happen, but I don't like the risk. I like the safety of stocks, where frankly, we could have like a crash, but like even the biggest crashes in stock market history, the stock market crashes 10, maybe 20%. Literally, there have been Bitcoin exchanges down 100% and you cannot get out. So that's a big risk, number one. Number two, another risk is taxes and profits. Very, very sketchy business. You have to consult a financial advisor. I would consult multiple financial advisors and accountants actually, because the rules kind of have been written, but kind of haven't. Very, very questionable. And I just don't like questionable things. I guess that's kind of just me, like being old, being experienced in this game, where I don't want to risk losing the millions that I've made. I don't want, new students to get kind of a bad taste in their mouth with trading when they lose 75 or 100% of their money due to no fault of their own, just because they're trading the wrong stuff. So those are two big risks. I think the third biggest risk is just volatility. A lot of people think that Bitcoin is the future of money. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but all this idealistic BS is confused with, what is Bitcoin trading at? Because frankly, Bitcoin has had a huge run. All of these cryptocurrencies have had a huge run. Even though they're, 60, 70, 80% off their highs, they're still up a lot. So there's dramatic volatility, and a lot of investors and traders just aren't used to that. Like you say you want to go into Bitcoin and have like a long-term perspective, but then you're down 75, 80% a few months later. I mean, you could say, oh, Bitcoin's the future, I'm just going to hold. But what if you're wrong? What if it doesn't come back and you're just down 75 or 80%? I don't like taking those risks. So you have tax risk, you have volatility risk, and you have, frankly, inherently built-in risk, because this is such a new niche. I have made, frankly, a lot of money, 6 and 7 figures trading Bitcoin-related stocks. That way, I can still participate in the volatility without the tax questions, without, the sketchy sketchiness of, is this exchange going to get shut down or not? And I also don't have to be up 24/7. I know a lot of Bitcoin traders, they're cracked out because they have to be awake all the time. Obviously, there are more active times than not, but it never stops trading. With stocks, you have a nice Monday to Friday trading time period, and when Bitcoin is hot, that's when I'll trade like a Bitcoin related stock. The stocks are not as volatile, so if Bitcoin itself is up like 20% in a day, then a lot of the stocks that I'm trading, maybe they're up 10 or 15%. But because I'm also trading Bitcoin related penny stocks, sometimes when Bitcoin is up 10 or 20% in a day, the Bitcoin penny stock is up 50 or 100% in the day. So sometimes I get more volatility trading the safer asset, which is the stock. And frankly, that's why I don't trade Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency directly. I can get the returns with stocks. I don't have to take these excessive risks with, sketchy brokers and, a sketchy asset class. And a lot of people don't think about this. They just go for home runs. I want you to start thinking about the risks. I know I'm a penny stock trader. I short sell, I day trade. I'm the devil, right? I'm trading all this evil stuff. Well, I'm not the devil, and nothing is evil. It's just misunderstood. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, maybe it will go up. Maybe, all this idealistic BS, maybe it is the future. But I don't like it at this juncture, at this point. Until we get more regulation, until we get more answers, I just don't want to risk, waking up one day. And I will tell you, this has happened before with different exchanges, with different Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related brokers. People wake up the next day and, they can't take money out. It's all gone. And then, you're like fighting and you're going to court and you're trying to get your money back. I just don't want to deal with that. I use E-Trade and Interactive Brokers for my brokers, not because they pay me anything. I just think they suck the least. These are the brokers that I use, and that's why I say they suck the least, not because they're the best, just because they're safe or relatively safe. Nothing is 100% safe, but Interactive Brokers and E-Trade are multi-billion-dollar companies, so they're safer rather than a lot of these sketchy sectors and sketchy niches that pop up that lure in a lot of financially naive people who want to go for home runs instead of taking singles. My average gain is just $1,000 or $2,000 per trade. All of my top students have similar type gains, and that's what we go for. But if you want to risk it all, by all means, have fun. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you hate my guts for warning about the risks, or have you lost all your money and you realize that I'm actually telling the truth? You tell me. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.